Hi, uh, welcome to the digital portfolio how to make workshop introduction. Let's get going. I tell you how to prepare for the workshop. First thing first is in that workshop we will be making a resume, something like that. Then we will be converting into a slideshow, which will be your digital introduction but bit more visual. Then we will convert that slideshow into a complete website, which you can have different section where you will be putting all those information which anybody in the world can see and access it. Then we will be doing very important thing. Before you coming to the workshop, you need to prepare those information and share with us. I have put email address in the Google Drive. Let me make it bigger. In the Google Drive, you need to create a digital portfolio folder and then share with the let me do a highlighter. Share with the email address given in the instruction email. Okay, and once you've done that, then you need to create a folder with the new button and create a folder. And what to put in a folder, that's very important. Okay, we will be giving you a document in the email which you can upload here and start changing it. Okay, so these instructions come with this video link, and we want this document there, and that document will be having these things ready. All you have to start filling in this information. Replace full name with your actual name, school, suburb, and then if you have any resume you made, but otherwise you will convert into the resume we showed you. Your hobbies, your interests, any community awards you mean, and you will learn how to scan and upload your information using, you can use your mobile, or you can use in that using this part, and you can upload. If they are inside the computer, that's good. Otherwise, I'll show you in a second you can use your mobile, and in the Google Drive there is a scan feature app, so you can use that to upload. And once you uploaded those things inside this folder of yours, then you will be ready to make your digital portfolio, resume, slideshow, and your website. The reason we are doing it before the workshop, so we will not be wasting or spending too much time typing these things down, because that's not the purpose of the workshop. We will have limited time. We will learn the skills how to convert into a digital information or a presentable graphical presentation of your portfolio. So you need images when you are doing something in the school, a community, a sports. Are you receiving awards? A copy of your awards and certificate you received for your excellent work. Also, you can have links of your social media or website you were involved, like website you were, your name and work is published, or clubs you are part of. These information we needed it. And once you have this ready and shared with us through the email we given, then you join this classroom, the code will be in your email. Might not be the same, but code will send you a joining link in the email. Okay, so all these information, email address to share with, and your classroom link, joining link, and other document, all will be sent via email. Good luck and come prepared, otherwise you'll be will be struggling to finish your digital portfolio website within the 3 hours. Thank you.